Jungle. Life in the jungle is a constant struggle for the survival of the fittest. We see a baby monitor lizard is walking here and there beside a pond inside the jungle. Sometimes it's seeking some foods, basking in the sun, and grooms itself. Sometimes it stares at my camera and give pose also. Long after it get down in the pond and seeking something. Perhaps its parents, its companion, or some foods. But it doesn't find out anything in the pond. In this time, meet with its neighbor also. Hooser, butterfly, snail, hopper, and bird also. They are walking, flying, sitting, friendly with delight. I observe that the baby monitor lizard is feeling very tired. It is taking rest on a bamboo which is floating in the pond water. It is collecting energy for next job. We all hope these wonderful creatures walk fearlessly of their natural habitat every day.